The camel knows he cannot lift the weight these idiots have put on him. They kick him, tug on his tail to force him to stand up.